If your bike hasn't been running for a while, the carburetors might be kind of plugged up and it's really hard to start. It's just running really bad down low. And one of the very important things that needs to be cleaned out in carburetors is frequently overlooked is this passageway between the outside of the carburetor and where the needle jet goes, where the pilot jet is down here. So the way you clean it out is you get a bungee cord up here on the throttle to hold it open. Now see the slides are all nice and out of the way. And then you take some brake cleaner or contact cleaner, whatever kind of solvent you want, and you need to clean this passageway out from this little opening here on the outside of the carburetor to the inside. You squirt it until you need to get a jet of fuel to come out of the middle. Come on. See how it's coming out of the middle? That means that the air is able to get from the outside through the carburetor body and to the idle jet. And then it has a possibility of idling. So do that before you take the carburetor apart. Get all of them cleaned up and try to run and start it. And run some fuel injector cleaner. You can buy this stuff in any car parts store. In your gasoline, run like a double or triple concentrated load in. Because then, if this jet here, this passageway is flowing, and there's any hope that the idle jet is even partially working, you can get the thing to flow enough fuel in there with the fuel injector cleaner and clean out all the junk in the little tiny orifices in the pilot jet for you, and you don't even have to take the carburetors off. So just check it out. That's a nice, easy way to clean your carburetors and get them running again.